Oh, there's another one.
Sunbathing.
And there's two. Eat them.
No, that's a turtle.
What, that other thing next to him? It looks like a gator. It's a turtle?
Yeah, it's a
Oh,
turtle.
yeah, it's climbing up. You can see him.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
He's like,
There's
hey.
another one coming up.
Yeah.
I saw another one.
Yeah, there's another one.
See what?
Yeah, he was facing the other way. He turned around.
Okay, so we were laughing.
Hey.
April was laughing about what Ricky did to him.
What?
Remember when we were at Grandma's house and they were fishing down at the lake and that softball turtle got Ricky's hook?
Yeah.
And he sat on the back and told April to take it out of the turtle's mouth.
Oh, that would have been
It bit her. Well, it did
Three
bite her.
gators. Small.
Oh, there's
Three gators.
Three.
Another baby one right here.
And they like to go after those orange fishing bobbers. Remember that? I know. They like to chase them.
On the boardwalk. With CJ. Said I'm on the boardwalk with CJ.